Hey everyone, Eric with a K here. I look wild because I have makeup under my eyes. I did wash my face last night, but this is just residual under my eyes. So that's what we're doing with. I wanted to do a video today on the Waterpik. So this is the actual Waterpik brand. And this is basically like an irrigation system for your mouth. If you can't get in spots to floss, this is really great to basically push out any junk that's in your mouth. Now I purchased this. This is not sponsored in any way. My sister is a dental hygienist and I recently had a problem with my back wisdom tooth that's coming in crooked like this. And it's basically pushing my gum up and I'm getting food trapped in the gum. I woke up one night in excruciating pain. I thought my tooth was coming in and it was pushing my whole jaw forward. Called my sister. She's like, go to the dentist. This is the person I recommend. And I went, and she had actually said, she's like, you probably have food stuck. And I was like, no, it's definitely coming in. Like, I see it. And she's like, you got to go to the dentist. You're probably going to have to get them removed. And when I went there, they were like, you have food stuck. So anyway, that's what happened. So I reached out to my sister and I was like, what Waterpik should I get? And then I was like on the Philips, Sonic Philips head care thing. And they had like a duo combo. And I was like, I'm going to get that. And she's like, don't get that one. It's not as good as the actual Waterpik. And she sent me this. And this is going to be my Amazon affiliate link if you guys want to pick it up. If you guys want to help yourself clean your teeth a little bit better. This really helps with like I said, the back where like my gum is like puffy and like I'm getting food trapped. It's going to help get it out because I can't floss back there. And it really helps with, I think it's like dentures it helps with. I think it definitely helps with like caps when you get like a cap on your tooth and like food can get stuck in it. So it's just generally a good idea. So I'm filming like this today because I wanted to do a first impression video. And I do want to talk more about dental stuff, but I'm going to leave that for different videos. If you guys want to check those out, I'll probably have them this week. But for today, I just want to kind of do a first impressions on this. So the reason why I picked this one up is obviously because my sister told me. She also said that Waterpiks are really messy, so you're going to want to do it in the shower. The Philips head one, you couldn't do it in the shower because there was a cord on it. So this one is like wireless. It's like cordless. So you can just like bring it in the shower. She said that's what she does. It holds water for 45 seconds, and if you brush your teeth for the full 2 minutes, you know that it's like half hour, half hour, half hour, half hour. But because it only holds for 45 seconds, you do have to refill it while you're in the shower to help get everything out because the actual thing doesn't hold that much water. If you get the Philips head one, it does have its own reservoir, but again, you can't do it in the shower, so it's just like super messy. I think I'm just going to show you guys because I really want to get that back tooth. I have been flossing all my other teeth and I just got my teeth cleaned yesterday. So I do feel like generally my teeth are okay right now and I could use this in the shower tomorrow. But for today, I just want to show you guys how it actually works. I don't even know how it works yet, so we're going to be doing this together. So I hope all my tips have helped so far. But I'm really going to focus on the back. I just ate breakfast. I don't even know if I have food in my teeth, but I'm going to show you guys my back gum that's like inflamed. It doesn't even look bad compared to what it used to look like. You can't even tell. Like when I went to the dentist and they were like, you just have food in your teeth, they had to put me on an antibiotic because it was like so swollen. Okay, so the first thing comes with the congratulations. I don't really know why they're congratulating me. I have to check that out. Okay, it comes with a little travel bag. It comes with the little stand to charge it and plug it into the wall. This, I think, probably to keep the heads in here, I'm assuming. And it comes with the actual Mac Daddy bad boy. I mean, this is humongous. This reminds me of like the spray tool that I would use in the salon for people's hair. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. Okay, and then it does have multiple attachments, and we'll go over the attachments. So the two that are just regular, I don't know if you guys can see through here. I don't want to touch all of them because me and my husband are going to share this and I feel like we're touching his stuff. That's weird. He wouldn't care, but like I just feel weird about it. Okay, so this one and this one would be to actually like clean out, irrigate your mouth. This one is for like cleaning to get extra plaque and stuff like that, probably under the gums. Oh, and then this one, I think they say it's like, so the first two are for general use. The second one is the plaque seeker, and that is for implants, crowns, bridges, retainers, and general use. And then the last one is an orthodontic pick. Okay, like somebody who does teeth, like braces and stuff. And it's for braces and general use. So I'm only going to be using this one right here. I'm probably gonna have to charge this. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to charge it first. This is my first impressions, terrible planning that I always do. You know, if you've been here, you know I'm horrible at this. This is basically gonna go on like this. Oh, it's magnetic, very cool. So it goes on like that, and then this gets plugged into the wall. This is where the water would go. I'm gonna plug it in and then I'll be back. Just want to pop on, so I see that they do have two different colors on here, which is pretty cool. So the gray will be for my husband and the white will be for me, so that's how we'll differentiate between the two of these, because they're exactly the same besides that. Okay, this is them in the little case. You can see, I feel like a dental hygienist, like my sister. Ooh. I feel so legit. Okay, so they just go in the case. These, we always keep all of our dental stuff in a drawer, so that like feces from the bathroom, when like we're going to the bathroom, washing our hands, flushing the toilet, it doesn't get on our toothbrushes and stuff like that. It always stays in a drawer. So yeah, all right, still charging. I'll be back. Okay, while it's still charging, I just want to give you guys as much information as possible. It doesn't come with like an instruction thing, I don't think so, but there is a lot of information on the actual box. So as you can see, it shows that the top of it, this is actually on the Waterpik itself, not the, like that's the toothbrush thing, but this is actually on the Waterpik. That turns 360 degrees, so you can get in your mouth however you need to go. The next one is, this one controls the pressure, so that's the power button there. This one controls the pressure. I think they say there's three pressure settings that you can do. So you can, like, you know, I guess low, medium, high. The bottom is to show the battery charge, and that's what we see here. It's blinking, and yeah, that's about it. And then it shows the which ones are used for what, which is, we already went over. All right, that's all I got for you. Bye. A few more deets, I'm back. Okay, so it removes up to 99.9% of plaque. It also is 50% more effective than using string floss alone. I'm going to still use the floss because my teeth are very tight on the bottom. So I'm going to continue to use that, but it's 50% more effective for your gums than just using string floss. And then it's up to 2 times as effective for improving gum health around implants versus string floss. So up to 2 times more effective around implants. And then lastly, it is up to 3 times as effective. Okay, 2 times as effective? More effective? As effective? The other one was up to 2 times as effective for improving. And this one is up to 3 times as effective for removing plaque around braces versus string floss, which we know if you ever had braces, I had braces when I was younger, you can't floss, like there's no way to floss. I don't even know. I don't think you could, that's like impossible. That's it, that's all I got. It also clearly states on the box that it is waterproof and can be used in the shower. I literally can't wait any longer. I've been waiting for my Waterpik to charge. I don't know if I can just start it now, but I'm going to. I filmed 2 other videos talking about dental health, which will be out tomorrow and the next day if you guys want to check those out. They're kind of like follow-ups to today's video, but I want to just get into this. So let's get into this because I can't wait any longer. Again, I'm going to be doing it here so I could show you guys, but really I want to be doing it in the shower. So I'm only going to do like the first, what is it called? Like quad, whatever it's called. I don't know, whatever. I'm not sure if it's 100% charged, but I'm going to take it off the charge just by removing this here. It's a magnetic thing. Here are the speeds. This is the back reservoir, so we're going to get into doing that. I'm going to fill it first, I think. I'm going to fill it first. Let's do that. Okay, so there's just a little lip that you pick up to fill it. That's kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to turn on the water. Just put it in there. You want to really make sure it's like closed. Again, you'd want to do this in the shower. It's probably better. But make sure it's really closed. It might leak a little. I'm gonna put it in here. Doing this with one hand feels crazy. Okay. I want to put it on high. Can I just do that here? Okay, I'm gonna do it before I turn it on. I was able to do that, that's good. Battery's blinking, probably not that battery left, but let's get this done. This might be the messiest video of my life, but let's do it. Wow, messiest thing I've ever done in my life. Definitely want to do this in a shower. You definitely don't want one that has a wire on it because I don't know how you would do that. I have to show you the mirror. Like, it's out of control. It's out of control. That's ridiculous. That's not a joke. That literally just happened. I'm going to try to do this so that I'm going to do it with my mouth closed so I could do it in front of you guys, but it literally went all over the place. Like, it's all over my phone. It's so gross. My back gum feels so much better already. Like, it's insane. Like, it was like swollen this morning from like getting my teeth cleaned yesterday, and now it's not. So let's do this again. Just want to make sure I have it on high. I do. Let's do this. I got a refill. Okay, I'm gonna do my top teeth with my mouth closed. I think it works better when your mouth is open and you give it the space that it needs, but I just, since I'm doing it, but you could see, you could turn this piece around and I can get my top teeth like that. But I actually think it might be better this way. I think it might be better that way because that's where the little pump is. So I'll get my teeth like this. That's good. Okay, I just struggled a little bit trying to get this off. I was pulling it. You have to hit this button here and it just comes right out, just so you know. I'm gonna plug it in and I am done for today. I spit out so much junk and I had flossed and I had brushed my teeth and I still spit out so much stuff. So definitely recommend getting this. And my back gum was feeling like puffy before and it doesn't feel like it now. I'm pretty happy. I'll see you guys later. Bye.